Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the green screen feature in the CapCut Desktop app to remove backgrounds and place your subjects in any environment you imagine. First, set up your layers. To make a green screen work, you need two layers on your timeline, your new background and your green screen footage. Drag your background image or video onto the main timeline track. Then, drag your green screen clip directly above it on the second track. Make sure the background clip is stretched to match the full length of your green screen footage. In the 2026 desktop interface, your top layer always overlaps the bottom, so the green screen must stay on top to be edited. Next, use the Chroma key tool. Now you'll tell CapCut exactly which color to make transparent so your background can show through. Click on your green screen clip in the timeline. In the top right settings panel, go to Video is greater than Remove Background and check the box for Chroma key. Use the color picker tool and click on the green area in your video preview. Once the color is selected, increase the strength slider until the green disappears. If you see green ghosting around your subject, slightly increase the shadow slider to clean up the edges. Lastly, refine and resize. With the background removed, you may need to adjust your subject to fit the new scene naturally. Click on the preview window to move, scale, or rotate your subject. If the lighting doesn't quite match, go to the Adjustment tab in the top right panel. Lower the brightness, or change the color temperature of your subject to blend them into the new background. If there are objects in the original green screen you want to hide, use the mask tool to crop them out. And that's all there is to it. To use green screen on CapCut Desktop, place your background on the bottom track and your green screen on the top. Select the top clip, go to Video is greater than Remove Background, and use the Chroma key eyedropper to select the green. Adjust the strength and shadow until the cutout is sharp and professional. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.